We are now in part 3 of Desjardins' discussion of affirmative action. And here we're going to discuss the first type of affirmative action. It is called weak affirmative action. This is the type that does not reduce job qualifications in the workforce. And we're going to look at 2 examples of weak affirmative action: equal opportunity and outreach and assistance programs. On to the first type of affirmative action, the one that does not reduce standards for qualifications for jobs. One example here is the passive non-discrimination that we have already discussed, hiring strictly on the basis of qualifications without any attention to race, gender, and so on. The second example is outreach and assistance programs. Outreach programs make an extra effort to advertise jobs in minority communities to encourage minority persons to apply. But then the best qualified persons are hired, whether they happen to be minorities or not. Assistance programs offer extra support to minority members in acquiring qualifications for work or in reinforcing these qualifications after being hired. But the best qualified persons are hired, whether they happen to be minorities or not. Programs like outreach and assistance programs are referred to as weak affirmative action. While they go beyond simple non-discrimination, they do so minimally by not giving preference to the disadvantaged minority groups in hiring. There's extra support, but the most qualified are hired in these weak affirmative action programs.